Welcome back, piano friend. In this session, we are learning to play Ode to Joy. It's one of Beethoven's most famous and most loved melodies. Let's start by placing right hand finger 3 on the E key. Play along with me. We're off to a good start. Now let's sing the note names while we play. E, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C, C, D, E, E, D, D. Excellent. Now we'll count beats while we play. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's concerto time. Let's play with the orchestra. Let's practice the right hand part again. One more time for the right hand. Now switch to the left hand, finger 3 on E. The left hand starts the same as the right hand, but watch out for the end. It's a little different. Did you get it? This time let's sing the notes while we play. E, E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C, C, D, E, D, C, C. Now count 4 beats in each measure while you play. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're doing it! Now play the same thing you just played with the orchestra. Excellent! Now do the same thing again. Play that left hand part one more time. Start with right hand finger 3 on E and we'll play the whole song. Let's sing the note names while we play together. E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C, C, D, E, D, D. E, F, G, G, F, E, D, C, C, D, E, D, C, C. Terrific! We'll go a little faster this time and count our beats out loud. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wonderfully done. Now it's concert time. Play along with me. Thank you so much for playing with me today. Now I want to hear from you. Send me your videos of you playing. I can't wait to see them.